Hello, my friend. I'm Leo. I'm glad you're here. I will speak slowly and clearly. I understand a lot, but speaking feels stuck. That is normal and can change. Small steps unlock my voice. Recap. Normal. Can change. Small steps unlock my voice. Shadowing is simple. Listen and speak at the same time, like an echo. Stay in English and follow the speaker's sound, tone, and rhythm. Try it. Repeat after me. I copy one short sentence. I speak with the audio like an echo. I focus on flow, not perfection. Recap. Copy sound. Speak with audio. Focus on flow. I start with simple openers. For me, the main thing is, in my opinion, I think that. Recap. For me, in my opinion, I think that. I use tiny chunks of 3 to 5 words. I pause, then continue. Small chunks keep me calm. Recap. Tiny chunks, short pause, continue. I use simple fillers to keep going. Let me think. 1 second. How can I say this? Recap. Let me think. 1 second. How can I say this? I describe my actions in simple English. I am making coffee now. I am putting on my shoes. I am going outside. Recap. Making coffee, shoes on, going outside. I add 2-word upgrades to sound natural. Really helpful. Super simple. Sounds great. Not sure. Recap. Really helpful. Super simple. Sounds great. Not sure. I pick up one object. I name it. This is a cup. I add one detail. It is white. I add one action. I drink from it. New object. This is a phone. One detail. It is black. One action. I use it to call. I keep moving around the room. I touch, name, and say one detail. I make one short sentence with each object. Recap. This is, it is, I use it to. I record 1 minute of speaking. I listen once and repeat the clear parts. I keep the parts that feel natural. Recap. Record, listen, repeat clear parts. I connect English to daily moments. After breakfast, 2 sentences. Before sleep, 2 sentences. Small routines build big results. Recap. After breakfast, before sleep, small routines. My voice is getting stronger. I speak in small, clear steps. I can say what I think. English is part of my day. I'll keep it simple and clear. Here is my idea. For example, this helps me. That's all for now. Recap. Simple and clear. My idea. For example, that's all. Today, I unlocked small steps for speaking. I will use starters, fillers, tiny chunks, and object naming. I will record, repeat, and keep my flow. Next time, we practice storylines for everyday life. If this was helpful, save this lesson and join me in the next one.